Okay, I see your work.
I think this curtain opacity I have to increase.
In case the opacity, the outside little bit should be visible.
Yes.
And you have to reduce the intensity.
Yes, it's too bright.
Too bright. That's good, but it's too bright.
Okay. Now we'll work on the curtain, sir.
Yeah, curtain is. Stop render.
Should I say this?
Save it.
This is the white curtain.
Hmm.
Now opacity 70 is there, sir. Should I take 100?
Uh, opacity should be reduced, no? Or increase? It should be 50, 30 like
No.
that.
No, it will be more. The center one should be more, sir. 100%
Acha.
opacity means more light.
Acha, okay. Do it then.
So 100% I'll do it.
Okay.
And intensity. The dome light we have to decrease.
Wait. One at a time. First, see the this thing your curtains. Test the curtains. Complete your curtains, and then we will off all the lights and on one by one. First, complete with the curtains.
Something got to do with the curtain materials.
Yes.
Something to do with the materials, no, sir.
Yes. Just
Something got to do
see,
with it.
stop render. Just see the materials.
I'll go to. See here, I have taken the composite material, sir.
Okay.
Okay, in the composite material, I have given a black and white, one in opacity, as a masking.
Okay.
See, I have. This is my bump material, white and black.
So for opacity, not just give single black and white image. Don't give
This one.
complete. Don't give complete composite material to opacity. Just
Okay.
plus sign on opacity. This main material, the main material, no. Main,
Okay.
just clear on plus sign.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
You given full composite material to opacity. Now don't give that full composite. Uh,
Okay.
First remove that and
And
just
only
give this mask layer. Yes, the mask layer, no, only give that bitmap.
okay.
Go to that bitmap. Yes, that one. Give that opacity. Single.
Okay.
Yes. Now see.
Yes. Now it's there.
Hmm. Yes.
Yes, sir. Now
Coming
it's coming.
nice. Coming
Okay.
nice. Yes.
So I will do with this also.
Yes. Just check second window. It's coming proper or not. Just check same material is applied or different material for the second
Oh, sorry.
window curtain. Hmm. Yes. Nice. Nice. Coming proper now. Your curtains are good.
Okay. Maybe with
Curtains
the
are good.
full high resolution render, it might be visible.
Yeah, curtains are good. Only worried about the lights. Now you have to adjust the light, but I will suggest that off all the lights except your dome light and starts one by one,
Okay.
because light intensity already we have adjusted. Only just you have to decrease a bit.
Okay.
Off all the lights like dome light. Uh,
Except the dome light.
yes, and take a test render, a small patch render.
That's render you want? Okay.
Yes. Okay.
We'll finish up this. I will see. The work.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. And gradually we will on one by one lights and
Okay.
see which light is giving more lights, and then we will reduce the value of that light
Fine.
individually.
Fine. So the dome light seems to be okay.
That is okay. Dome light is okay. For
That is okay.
interior, dome light is not very much important.
Yes.
Very
Now we should check with the
very
sun.
less in yeah, very less intensity will come from the dome light. Let's check
Fine,
the
sir.
sun. Yes.
I'll stop this.
Your TV is too bright, I think. You see the TV
Yeah,
is
that I will.
is
I'll let it later on. Will.
yes.
Now next is the sun.
Yes, just on sunlight and take a patch render, a small area. Don't take complete render.
Okay, sir.
See the area where the sunlight direct hits.
So far.
Yeah, yes, nice.
Sun seems to be okay, sir.
Just
May-
stop and zoom and see. It is too bright or what on sofa? The textures are completely going white. You can see the textures over there.
Yes. Yes.
Then reduce
So,
it.
so it is 0.04. So how much should I raise? 0.08.
0.02.
Yes.
0.0 make it 0.02. That should not be completely white. You must see the texture,
Okay.
because in our color correction Photoshop we will going to increase the exposure value there even.
Now, sir.
Actually it is little blur from here, so just you see you can see the color of the texture, sofa texture is
Color.
visible.
I will slightly reduce little more, sir. I'll make it 0.01.
Okay, make it, because from here it is little bit blur.
Yes.
Maybe you can see properly from your directly angle. The color of the sofa should be visible.
Yeah. Now seems to be okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Good. Because what
Okay.
happen in
Now,
Photoshop, when you increase the exposure value, that time it
okay.
will gonna be whitish.
Correct. Okay. Now
Yes,
it seems to be okay, sir.
perfect.
Okay. Now
Yes.
we have to check with the
This window we have a plain light given on the windows, no?
yes.
On that.
Uh,
Individually, those are individual lights, no? On
correct.
both the windows,
So I
on
will
one
just
by
check
one.
which lights are that. It's light 4,
Yes, just on that one light.
light 4 and light 3.
Yes. I think that is instance. You make an instance, I think, no?
Yes, sir. So I should.
Okay, it's
It's got
okay.
both. It's got both, sir.
Hmm. Understood. I think you need to change your camera angle. It's coming top view. Go to perspective. Go to camera. Yes. Just zoom. Wait. Let it be clear. Come clear. Nice.
Coming nicely on the
Yeah,
photo.
yeah. This is also good. I think only that IS lighting
I,
get IS lighting getting problem. It is increasing the intensity.
so it is 300 now. Okay, I will make it 200 and we'll check.
Wait. Before IS, try to on the cove light.
Core light.
Except IS, we will try to on other lights. What is that video light 002? Where we
It's a,
have used that? That one,
uh,
not that one.
the
Yes.
dome light, sir. Dome light. Sorry, sphere light.
No, no. Sphere. Acha, हाँ, yeah, yeah. If you're on that also, no. First cove light.
Okay. First core light.
First, first cove
We'll
light,
check.
and see the.
We'll check
You
on
have
the
to.
sofa itself.
No, no. You have to see the ceiling area, because so cove light will not here till here.
Okay.
See the ceiling area. Wait.
Okay.
Just zoom a bit. Zoom there. It's good. It's good. Lighting is coming good.
Right.
For ceiling area is coming good. Okay, cove light is good.
Then we'll try to check with the
Yes.
dome light.
Stop.
This one.
Stop. Yes.
Sphere
Yes.
light.
It's pure light. Yes. Stop it.
Now for the sphere, we have to take it here with this ray.
Ha ha. Yes. Yes.
Here.
Yes. Reduce that. I think sphere.
Sphere light is more, I think. So
Reduce that.
it is point 2. I'll make it point 1.
0.1. Yes. This should not be very much. Just wait. No? Let it come.
Seems to be okay, sir.
Can you off the sphere light? Off the sphere light and first stop the render. Wait. First stop the render. Off the sphere. This one is sphere light. Yes. Take a patch render. Only around the plants. Only around the plants. Yes. Yes. I just want to see what result I get if there is no sphere light.
Okay.
Because the light bounce, it's a small house, a small room, not the light bounce,
Yes.
and it cover maximum areas.
Right.
It's good. I think it's good. Without the sphere light, only it's coming proper.
Okay.
No need of applying a sphere light. I want some portion to be dark.
Fine, sir. Now
It's good.
we'll see with IS lights.
Yes. Finally, we have to check. First, do one thing. Don't on the IS light. First, take a complete render without IS light. Take a complete render. Stop and take a complete render. Let it come. We will save this and we will see, and then we go for
Compare.
IS. Yes,
Compare.
and
Okay.
then we will compare with the issue, because see, without IS it is perfect.
Yeah.
Means it's not very bright. The room should not be very bright, because
Yes.
if we need any brightness, we will add that on Photoshop.
Okay.
Because that portion, like 10%, we are leaving for the Photoshop work.
Fine, sir.
Because there also brightness will going to increase a bit.
Maybe the exposure we have to reduce little bit, I think. After IS, we should reduce the exposure.
Yes, try that.
First, we'll see this. Then we'll check with IS lights. If it is too bright, then exposure value will reduce it.
Okay, yes, try that.
Now the lights are coming good on the sofa, sir.
Yes, so far is good. Yes.
We can see the proper
Yes,
texture of
stop.
the sofa now.
Yes, stop it. Stop render.
Okay.
Yeah, just save this.
Saved. Now I will on the IES light.
Hmm. And take a patch render, huh? No complete render. Don't take complete
IES.
render.
Uh, okay.
Yes.
Here we have to check the IES, right? It's too bright, sir. So I will reduce the intensity of the IES light.
Reduce the intensity of IS light as well as on the color collection of max right side there also. A little
Okay.
bit exposure we'll control. First reduce the intensity, power
It is
that
300. I will take somewhere around 100 and check, or
yes.
150.
Yes. Just check
150.
one just half, make it half.
Exposure also. We
Wait,
can
wait,
check.
wait, 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 wait.
Nothing happened.
A little bit little clean a bit. We also have to see on the walls what will the effects. No, it is there. Yes, yes. Now control the go for the exposure.
It is about 1.4. I'll slightly reduce it, sir.
Yes, reduce. No, increase. It's little darker. Make it one. Make it one. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
this should be okay, I think so.
Hmm.
And highlight burn is not. I can increase no, because there's no burning no.
There's no burning. Yes, slightly increase. See toward your sofa, the bright areas.
Yeah, there's no burning. I think we have to render this and see because we are
Yes,
not.
render
Yeah.
it, render it.
We'll take a full render, sir. No.
Yes, take full render. Two thing also you need to reduce the TV
That I will do, sir.
brightness
Okay.
and
That I will.
that ceiling the humor is there and the lights are there no
Yes.
that also add your overall illumination of your scene.
So that also will reduce it.
That also just make it half.
Okay.
Just make it half.
Fine. We'll allow this. Once it's done, then we'll go back. Or should I stop it now?
Wait. Let it come. Let it come. You can do a patch render then.
Okay.
Let it come completely. Okay, it's better than before.
Yes, sir.
Coming much better. Yes, you can stop this and
Save. Then I will go to material editor.
Ceiling light also you have reduced? The ceiling one?
Which one, sir? Core light, sir?
Ceiling, no, no. Yeah, core light also will do that.
Okay.
The center one. The center one. The
Oh,
Jhula
center
one.
one I have reduced it.
You
Yes,
will reduce, no?
yes, yes. 0.5.
And Cove also try to reduce it.
I have reduced. This is
TV.
enough. Little more add to this.
No, no, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Yes. Only the core light I have to reduce.
Cove light. Reduce the cove light. Just can you zoom on the ceiling little bit? I can see a closer look on the cove area. Okay. Try to reduce a little bit more.
Yes.
I just want to see what happen if I reduce little bit more. Just yeah, let it be. Yes, enough.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So we'll take a full render, sir.
Full render. Yeah, take it full render. Yeah, complete render.
We'll take high render, sir, or
Yes, 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 yes. Go for the high res. Go for the high res, and we take a 2K render, a small patch render of 2K also, no?
okay, fine.
And try to render near the sofas. It's okay.
Fine.
Let this render come,
Okay.
and we go for a 2K render and take a patch render near the sofa where the
Sure,
sunlight
sir.
is.
Properly.
Because yeah, on the final render we will see it's not too bright. The
Okay.
sunlight where directly hitting, it's not be too bright.
Okay.
Any doubt, any questions, Prasanna, so far whatever we did?
No, sir, I can follow.
It's quite simple, no? We
Yeah,
also
yeah.
we covered the similar kind of effect on exterior also. Just
Yes.
here the value we have just increased and decreased of light
Correct.
intensity.
Yes.
That we did. But the process is same, no? Exterior
Yeah.
also we
Yes.
did like same individual lights we worked. Here
Yes.
also same.
Yes.
Whenever you find any kind of difficulties in lighting, just try to off all the lights and
And
see
check with one.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
which lights is getting more problem,
Fine.
and you will get the solution of that.
Okay. So in this case, the dome light, the sphere light is not required, but it might be useful for some other projects, right?
Yes, here now because of your IS light, you see the IS light are there also behind the
Okay.
cameras where it is not rendered. You see, just see
Okay.
the IS light, it is there also. So it IS lighting is taking care of all the
Correct.
dark
Correct.
areas.
Yes, it is behind the camera. The IS light is creating more light there.
Yes,
So
yes.
the sphere is not going to be useful.
Not required. Yes, because IS lighting is taking care of all the dark areas,
Fine, sir.
and it's spreading more lights. A
Fine.
small, so it's a small room also. See the size of the room and the
Okay, okay.
number of lights that we have used.
Okay.
So it is illuminating it too much. So
Yeah.
that's the reason we are not required as this is
Yeah.
fair light. If the size of the room is extremely large,
Then we
you
might
could,
whether we
yeah,
need.
then we need some special IS lights to
Okay.
cover some dark areas. Otherwise,
Correct.
you don't need. Just zoom there where it is rendered. It's coming proper, no?
Okay. Yeah. It's coming proper, sir.
Hmm.
The textures are coming proper.
Yes, yes. It will going to be take time taking. Take a small patch renders. Stop this.
Okay.
Take a small patch render.
Where should I take, sir?
Yeah, it's to
Beside near
stop.
the sofas?
Uh, yes. Take a small patch render. Take a small. The area you're creating. Take a small.
Take
Take
near
some.
the
Take some
sofa?
portion. Yes. Take some portion of the window also. Half the window and half the sofa.
This is okay?
A little bit left side. No, no. That first window. First window also I want to cover.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. Enough, 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 enough. Take this much only. I want to see the back side, this window curtain also, and the background also,
Fine.
and also where the sunlight is hitting.
Okay.
That is I'm a little worried about. Try to give different color ID to your background. No, that curve is we have placed outside the window. No,
Yes, sir.
give a different color ID so that easy to select. No, when we do
Yeah, yeah. That I will
Photoshop
do, sir.
color.
That while taking the final render, I will give
Yes,
IDs for all those things
all
individually.
the yes,
So
yes.
we can select whichever we wanted. We can increase the brightness or decrease it.
Yes, yes, yes. Because the window that we will decide on the final
That is
color correction on Photoshop whether it should how much it should bright
fine.
as per our interior scene how much the back outside should be brighter,
Fine.
should be more brighter or less brighter, that we will see in Photoshop. So we will keep
Fine.
as it whatever we are getting it we will keep that much for here,
Okay.
and we will try see that on Photoshop.
When we take with the 2K, even the detailing will be more now.
Yes, detailing the shadows are coming more proper.
That will be more prominent now.
Yes, the reflection will come more proper.
Yes.
See, that reflection and shadows make your scene more realistic.
Correct.
There should be proper reflection. There should be proper contrast in shadow and brightness.
Fine.
That you give effect of natural things. It is rendered.
It is lettering, no? No. This is in the process of lettering.
That part is rendered left side.
Yeah, this part is rendered now. The
Yes.
curtain is rendered.
Yes. 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 That one.
You can see the sofa.
Curtain. Yeah, zoom on the curtain. Okay, I think it's transparency little bit you have to reduce. It's too
Actually,
transparent.
which
uh,
one? This one, sir?
yes, yes, yes.
Why,
It's
sir?
too
Because we have made
transparent.
100%. I will make it 70, 80% now.
Yes, yes, yes. That you have to take care
That I
of.
will take care.
It's
This is
coming.
okay.
That is okay. Only the transparency you have to take care of.
On the
Do
sofa?
so. Do on the sofa. It's the reflectivity you have to reduce.
Sofa. It is too much of
Yes,
reflection.
yes, yes, yes. It's a cloth, no.
Yeah.
The white areas over there should not be like that. The area should be spread.
Okay. So I will reduce that also.
Yes,
We'll see. We'll take an patch. When after completing this patch render, then I can work. I can work on the materials now.
yes. Material. Little bit of tweak you have to do with the material. Just zoom there on sofa. I want to see the dark areas. Okay. Sun is okay. It's good. Sun is okay. It's
Okay.
contributing good.
Okay.
Zoom on the metal leg there. It's not looking like a metal. Just you have to check it. You check once. No.
Yeah. Yeah.
There should be
This
some
one. Yeah. This. With the 2K, I think it will be visible, sir.
Okay, just take because that one is looking metallic. On the top of the pot
This
is a
is,
small pot on the top of the table, no? Center table,
yes,
small
this
pot.
is,
No, that was center table.
1 second, sir. Yeah, this is
That is
looking a
okay.
pot.
Yeah,
The same material I have applied. Sometimes, with the high resolution, this will be visible, sir.
okay, okay, fine, fine.
That will check.
Maybe,
I will check
maybe,
also.
maybe this is flat. The leg is
Okay.
flat, and that is
Yes, yes.
curved. That's why
That is curved, so
reflection
its reflection is more on that.
more reflection. Okay, that's
Yes.
okay. That's okay.
So
No
anyway,
problem.
now I'll stop this and I'll tweak the materials now, sir. Because there's no. You want to see this also again?
Just wait. I want to see the plant. That
Yeah.
right side plant. Little bit of
Okay.
leaf.
Okay.
Little bit of leaf. See, lighting is perfect. Lighting is okay.
Right. Okay.
Now there's no problem with the lighting.
Okay.
Whatever I was expecting, lighting is coming perfectly.
Okay.
Perfect. Only thing is that
For them,
little bit of texturing, like curtain. You
right.
said, take care.
Right.
You have to take care of curtain little bit more. Take care
Right.
of the metal object. Take care of the
Okay.
fabric of your sofa.
Fine.
Just little bit fine tweak you have to do.
Right. And this gold is coming good, no, sir?
Yeah, good, 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 good. That is coming absolutely good. That will shine. Then when we do
That
color,
will shine here. Yes.
that will be more shiny. Here also
Even
it's
the bronze,
brass,
you can see,
brass. Yes, yes. Perfect, perfect.
perfectly it's coming.
That's okay. Plants you have to take care of.
Okay.
Just see the
That will see.
texture. It should not be that dark.
Okay.
Let me see the bigger plant over this one. How the
Yeah.
leaves are coming.
I'll let it get rendered.
Apply the same method. Apply same single individual little small plain lights for the plants if it is
Plant.
not getting proper light. If it
Okay,
not
sir.
get proper light, otherwise it's good. Just see the texture also. If you can do something with the texture of that plants.
So I have to increase the brightness of the texture.
Yes,
Okay.
texture. If you can increase the brightness of the texture and leaf come out more greenish, it's a bit dark, no?
Okay. So
It
this
shouldn't be
should be
that
more
dark gray.
aggressive. Okay.
Light gray. It should be more light green.
Fine.
Then it's okay. If you can control that with your texture, then it's fine. Otherwise,
Fine.
give a small light over there.
Fine. So in some cases, no, suppose it is a wardrobe, okay,
Hmm.
or open wardrobe, or some open showcases, or some storage spaces, we'll find each individual light they would have given it there to highlight things.
Hmm. 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 Right. Right. They give
Uh, uh, that tips I want, sir, how to give that light.
inside the wardrobe.
Inside wardrobe, any showcases, no, that makes we can see that particular place is illuminated properly with the lighting. I will,
Get a model.
I'll,
Get a model. We do
I'll, yes,
practical.
yes, I will show on references
We do.
images.
Yeah. We do practical. You get a reference image or get a model. We do practically on work on that.
Fine, sir.
We practically work on that. When you do practically work, no, then it will be more clear to you.
More clear, yes.
Yes, when you work on the things practically, it's coming out clear. Can you do that mouse render kind of thing? You know how to mouse render, no? That wherever you keep your mouse,
Where
that person will be render.
that is
Yeah, that
spray render, sir.
yeah, yeah. Just see on top there is a option.
I have
No,
to go
no,
to
no,
rendering
no,
settings.
no, 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 no. There
Uh,
only. This left side of the 50%. No, no, no.
yes,
On top, the left side of that. Yes, there is mouse
yes,
something. No,
right.
follow mouse. Yes, click that and put your mouse. No, no, no. Don't drag. Just keep your mouse on top of that plant. Move your mouse. Just keep
Okay,
there on
I'm
top
moving,
of
sir.
plant.
I think
Just
it
hold.
stopped.
No, no,
Right,
no.
right.
Wait, wait. It will follow your mouse. No, keep your mouse there only. Don't move your mouse.
Okay.
You need to place your mouse and it will render the where
Yeah.
you
So
have
this is the
placed your
option,
mouse.
sir.
Yes, that is the option.
Right click on the image and select something it says, sir. I have to read on this.
Just you have to.
Lock bucket starting point to lock it.
See how to work. Just click, let it activate, and just move your mouse.
It says starting point of the bucket will follow the mouse pointer. Right click on the image and select. It says right click. Ah,
Lock bucket.
ah. Now it is working, sir.
Okay, fine.
So wherever my point,
You
moving the
move
mouse,
your
it will.
mouse, that will render. Just zoom there. Just zoom on the plant. Just want to see the reflectivity is to not be look like plastic object. Just zoom. Yeah, good, good. Nice, nice. Coming out nice.
So no need of light here, no?
No, no, no. Nothing, nothing. You
Nothing,
can see the
nothing is
details.
required. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sometimes it might look plastic, artificial plant has been kept there.
Yes, yes. No, it's okay. It's coming out good. Coming out good. It's okay. You can stop render. I've seen.
Okay.
Now work with the texture. See the texture which you have to take care of. Lighting is good.
Yes. First thing I have to work with the curtains.
Hmm.
The opacity is 100%. I'll take about 80%, sir.
Yes, reduce that.
80%. Okay, this is done. And sofa material. Mm. The reflection is more. I have to reduce it by another 50%, sir. Anything else, sir? Two.
No, no, no. Take a test render.
Okay. Sounds okay?
Hmm. The curtain. Zoom on the sofa. First zoom on the sofa. It's good. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Sofa is coming on good.
Curtain, sir?
Curtain. Okay, fine, fine, fine.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. Curtain also looking good.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Stop,
So
stop.
we can see the blur.
Yes, 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 yes. You can see the blur effect over there. Yes.
Okay. So I will take a 2K file render tomorrow and keep it.
Yes, take final render and keep
And
with all the
you can tell me
passes.
the render
Acha,
settings
हाँ,
so that
yes, 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 yes. Render settings. Just go. It will be similar to whatever is there on exterior.
okay.
Just start with the
Uh,
common.
okay. So global light, nothing we have to do it. Bucket and subdivision, sir. Maximum subdivision is 8. You said no. Last time I kept 8 something.
Yes,
I will do a thing, sir. I will take the previous day render.
daytime exterior. Whatever wait, wait, wait. Sometimes you should not buy. Just change like that. First,
Okay.
save your file. See what happened now. I remember some of my projects. Now everything we did very nicely. Yes, everything test renders good, completely good. Finally, somebody say, "Arey, take that render setting that I had applied and use
Okay.
that."
Okay.
Without any saving files, without any saving previous render settings, we blindly copies that, and what we found out some problems coming, and we are like, how this problems come? It was not there before.
But
So it
anyway,
happens.
I have saved it, sir. Here. I will go now. I'll come
See,
back. I can come back to the same now. Okay.
see.
Very recently I saved it. Okay.
Yes, yes. Go for save your max file
Don't
as your
save.
final.
I'll say don't
After
save now.
yes,
Hmm. Because I've saved. I keep on saving it. You have seen it, no?
yes, yes,
Hmm.
yes.
Maybe that
Just to
recent.
be just to be a safer side, so that it
Yes,
not be like completely surprised when you go for a 2K render,
yes,
because we test render on some settings, no, and
yes,
suddenly you are taking some other settings, so
yes,
it
it's
might
correct.
happens that some portion will get a very problematic result you might get on lighting
The
also.
only problem is, these things I have to reduce it.
Yes,
Okay, that like this one and the TV.
TV, yes, just take
Yes,
care of that.
this is my TV.
TV and the
From here I have everything. Yes.
and the
Now
curtain
I'll
in the
go back to,
sofa, curtain in the
yes,
sofas are done.
yes, that I will go now. The curtain and the surface. Curtain.
Just see. See the value, what value you have given there, opacity value,
So,
how much you have given.
50 cent. This is correct. I have to change it here.
Yes, above one. Hmm.
So I have to give it correct, no, sir?
Yeah, the mask is okay. That is okay. Don't reduce it. Remove it from mask.
Oh,
See
I,
that is okay. Only
okay.
opacity. We are using only effect of the opacity. Other
Now
than
it's
that,
confirmed.
yeah. Other than that,
70% is
it's
confirmed.
okay. Yes, only new texture applied to opacity. That's all.
Right, sir.
Then
Here I think the here this one reflection.
reflection of your sofa. Take care of that. It should be less.
50%, 58.
Just see what you have did
Yes,
there.
sir. I 50 reduced.
Yes.
Okay. Now I will save this once again.
Save max file as your final test render. Make it as your final test render. Give a specific
So
name.
I will say I'll do save
Save
as now.
your current render settings. Whatever is your current render setting, try to save that, and save also your color correction of your frame buffer. That also
All right.
important.
All right,
So
sir.
three
Now you
things. Hmm.
now save as I will do it. I will take this as 4. Okay.
Four.
Or I will give a final.
Final test render. Give the number. Give the
Final.
number also. Give zero
Okay.
04. Give 04 so that it will be a continuation.
So
No,
4.
underscore, underscore. Try to,
04
yes, and make it final test render.
final test render.
Yes, save it
I
now.
will save it.
Yes.
Now I'll save the presets also.
You go to render setting. Yes.
Yes.
Just to be a safer side. That's all.
Correct, correct, correct.
If anything happen, we can again come back to our previous the settings.
Uh, Now this dome light has to be
Off,
off.
off. Yes,
Off.
that we not needed.
That is not needed. And the rest everything I'll just check with the lights. Uh, the core light is okay. Wall light. Rest is okay, sir. 300. I think highest light I made 150, sir.
Yes, and sunlight also
150.
point zero 0.02, if I'm not wrong.
Point 0.02. Sunlight
Point
is
zero
also
two.
point
Yes,
zero
yes,
0.02. Okay.
yes,
Rest I think we did not change it anything.
yes,
Kept
yes.
it as light. This is point 0.2. Point outside light is okay.
Cove,
Core
cove,
light is
cove.
5.
No, no, no. It
Core I'll
was
make
not
it 3.
5. Yes, it was
3.
reduced. Yes, yes.
So most of things are same. So nothing
Okay,
is much changed here. Okay.
okay.
Now I will save it once again, sir.
Save it.
Now I will go to the render settings
Hmm.
and save this as a preset.
Yeah, yeah. Go to presets. Top, 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 top. No, 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 no.
Okay.
Yes, second one. Yes.
Preset. Save
Save.
preset.
Yes, save preset.
Okay. Should I give the same file name, sir?
First,
Or is
go
it
to the location. Go to the folder location where you kept your project.
okay?
Go to so that everything should be in one place. If you want to take your project to another computer, this should be there
Yes.
on the same folder.
This is my folder, sir. Interior classes, I said.
Yes, go inside.
Okay. Should I create a folder
Yeah,
here?
here, yeah, yes, yeah. Just create a folder of presets. Interior in this added preset.
Okay.
Yes, done. Yeah.
And inside I will go copy this.
Yeah, just give a name. Just give a name that interior rendering. Yes, that's a preset only. Interior render, interior daytime something like that. Interior daytime rendering. You understand? Delete. Yes, enough.
Save.
Save. Yes, save this.
Save now.
Now open your frame buffer now.
Okay.
Go to show last frame buffer. Go to show last frame buffer. Open that. Yeah, save this as well. How you save? You know.
Uh, this one, sir.
Yes, the right side. Go to right side. Go right side. Whatever we have used exposure and all, this we have to
Okay.
save that.
Okay. Yeah.
Go.
Okay. Presets here.
Yes, go little bit. There's a save icon is there.
This one,
No,
sir.
no, no. Left side of that. Left. Yes, click there.
Okay.
No,
Should I go to the same folder?
it was in same folder, I think. Can you just
Acha.
go back with the back arrow sign there? Yes. Back once again. Yes, see? Same
Ah,
preset folder, no? Yes.
yes, sir.
Just give the name. Interior daytime, daylights, give constant the same. Yeah. Take that only. Only at the end, make it CC, color correction. Change something from the last. After one, delete. No, no, delete that. Dot RPS should not be there.
Okay.
Yes, one and then CC. Make
This
it
here.
yes, done, done.
Save.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Now it's done.
Now,
Now.
and now it's done. You are on a safe side. Now you
Okay.
can try some other presets for your render and all.
No, that's what last time what we did is that the
Yes,
exterior.
take
I'll
that.
bring back that.
Yes, take that. Because you see your overall render size also changed. You see, you notice that?
Oh, yes, sir.
Go to
That is
common.
because of the this one.
The ratio has
Image ratio.
ratio has also changed. You see that?
And this is that was in this one, sir. V-Ray camera. So I'll
Yes.
do one thing, sir. I will do one thing. Okay. I will go back to the previous one.
Hmm.
Okay. And I
That
will
happens.
we know this, so we'll directly do it here.
Yeah,
Correct, no, sir?
manually change it. Manually
Manually
change
change it, sir.
it. Change
So I've
the.
given last time some subdivision of 8 points, image filter cut mount ROM. Okay, global DLC. Blue noising sampling is required, sir.
Nothing. That will be
I'll check
default.
that. And environment, no. Color mapping, Reinhardt, no. We'll take
The same.
exponential, sir.
Exponential. Yes, take it. Yes.
Exponential. Then camera, we have to check with the auto white balance.
Auto white only. Yes. Good.
Okay, okay. And here redundance map, I'll take
Make it
low,
medium. Pick it
medium,
medium.
medium. Uh,
Radiance map.
then
Then light cache. Light.
light
Sorry.
cache 1500,
Yeah. 1500. Right.
1500. Then settings here,
Settings okay.
round or whatever. That is
Yeah.
checked.
That's
Okay.
okay. That's okay.
Add render elements, sir. I will delete all those things. It's not required now.
Uh, just go. Yeah. Delete and take the new whatever is
No.
needed. Just remember whatever we have
Alpha,
taken.
alpha is required, sir.
Alpha is required. Take alpha.
Extra texture is also required.
Yes. Denoiser.
Okay.
Light.
Global illumination, sir.
Yes. Light.
Where a lighting, where a light mesh is not required. I will take
No.
delete that. Okay. Where a light select is required.
Okay.
Material light is required.
Object
Object
ID.
reflection, refraction,
Reflection
front.
ID.
Where a shadows.
Shadows. No.
Okay. Check the time, sir. Just give a few seconds.
And first take a patch render before
Fine, sir.
giving it a complete render. Take a patch render and then go for
Delete. Specular we need.
yes.
Where a total lighting. Total lighting.
Yes.
Where a wireframe. Okay.
Like
That's done. Now I will add the values for this. I'll take the render IDs.
Go to
What is
extra
it?
texture, click on the extra texture, video extra texture, the third one, yes.
Yes.
There, just go down, you see it's there, no? Video dot
Yes,
map is
it's
there,
there.
dot
Yes,
map is
it's there.
applied.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay,
I
okay,
will check cross check with the material also. One second.
okay.
We'll check the values how much. So I'll take what point two. Two will do no sir. 2 point.
It's okay. I take default values only. It's okay.
It's
Default
10
value
sir.
will
High
do.
value.
Acha, it's 10. Acha,
Yeah, it's 10. It's 2. It was 10. Should I take 2?
okay, okay. Take it, take it, take it.
2 or 2.5. Very right. Right, sir. Done. This is there. And one second, sir. I will check it. Undo everything. Yes. Now everything is come.
Okay, save your file. Save your render setting as well as
Again
a
for this.
high res. Save, yeah, save your max file.
So what I'll do is I will save.
Save
I have
as
to
a
save as first.
save as a new name.
Save as. This is.
Make it 05. Like it was living room. Just click there. Yes. Now rename it.
I will say 5 and final render.
Yes.
Of that render. I will remove this text render. Save.